This video we will see the product review of Samsung Galaxy M05 smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy M05 is an affordable smartphone designed to offer essential features for everyday use. Now we will see the product features. This smartphone display comes with 6.7-inch HD plus LCD screen with 60 Hz refresh rate, which provides clear visuals for daily tasks. This smartphone has dual rear camera setup. Main camera has a 50 MP wide-angle lens for detailed photos. Depth sensor has 2 MB for enhanced portrait shots. Front camera comes with 8 MB for selfies and video calls. This smartphone equipped with 5000 mAh battery and it supports 25-volt fast charging to keep you powered throughout the day. This smartphone powered by MediaTek Helio G35 processor, paired with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage and expandable via micro SD card. This smartphone runs on Android 14 operating system with Samsung's One UI Core 6.0, which offers a user-friendly interface. This smartphone measures 8.8 mm in thickness and weight is approximately 195 grams. This smartphone has standard connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS. This smartphone supports micro SD cards for additional storage, accommodating users with larger media libraries. Now we will see pros of this smartphone. First point is affordable price. This smartphone offers essential smartphone features at a budget-friendly price point. Second point is large display. The 6.7-inch screen provides ample space for viewing content. Third point is decent camera. The 50 MP main camera captures satisfactory photos for casual photography. Fourth point is long battery life. The substantial battery capacity ensures prolonged usage without frequent charging. Now we will see cons of this smartphone. First point is display resolution. The HD plus resolution may not be as sharp as higher end models. Second point is processor. MediaTek Helio G35 is suitable for daily tasks but may struggle with intensive applications. Third point is build material. Plastic construction might feel less premium. What are the customer positive feedbacks? First point is camera quality. The user appreciate the clarity and detail of photos taken with 50 MP camera. Second point is battery performance. Many comment the device ability to last through a full day of use. Third point is value for money. Customer find the feature set impressive for the price point. In India, the price of this smartphone is 6,499 rupees. In United States, approximately $75.